Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling and opening the developer console. This gives you command line control inside the game. Once enabled, bind a comfortable key like tilde so you can open it without interrupting play. Make sure to load a recent safe save before running commands. This preserves progress if a command behaves unexpectedly. These first steps grant immediate access and protect your session, so you can proceed confidently to inspect game objects and prepare the exact commands you'll need for the next steps. Once the console is open, identify the Brainrot object by using inspection commands to retrieve its unique ID and properties. This tells you what you can safely change. Then, query current stats with get or list commands so you understand baseline values before altering anything. Prepare the exact modify or add command syntax, including quotes and numeric values, and test on a non-essential item first. This careful middle stage prevents mistakes and clarifies why each parameter matters for the final modification. Now apply the prepared command to modify or transfer the Brainrot item, using moderate value changes to avoid breaking game systems. After executing, immediately save and reload to verify that the item behaves and displays correctly in inventory and UI. If you encounter errors, crashes, missing stats, or unexpected behavior, revert to the backup save or use reset commands to restore original properties. This single troubleshooting tip prevents permanent issues and gets you back to a stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.